The market in the vlog category really changed in the last 5 years. First, it was about good visual colors, good transitions, really good editing. But right now, I think it's completely different, and this is what we are going to talk about, that how you can grow a vlog channel in 2019. So let's start here. First, what is the really important thing is to be yourself. This is the like the groundbreaking thing. People will sense from you if you're fake, if you are put on, if you pretend to be someone else, like, I don't know, Jake Paul or Casey Neistat. I see many vloggers starting out and they got their idol and they try to be like him or her, but it's not going to work out. And people are going to like, okay, man, this is not you. What you are doing, you are a fake. And people will tell it right there because for some reason we can sense it through the video. That's why Casey Neistat is Casey Neistat. He can't be anyone else. And you can put whatever vlog there. And you can see, like, for one Casey Neistat, there are hundreds of copies of Casey Neistat. So this is what we need to understand first. You need to be yourself. And you need to develop yourself. The important questions. This is going to be great. You need to ask yourself, by making vlogging videos, what do you bring to the market? What value you bring to people? What they can learn from your video? Ask yourself this. Okay, why should even people watch your content? And another thing is, in what way you are different from your competitors? I mean, okay, you are making a vlog and you're talking there about life, but honestly, how do you help someone? What new information you bring to someone? In what way you are different from competitors? Ask yourself these questions and answer them, and we will continue. Now, the question, what do you bring to the market? I always say, don't be a vlogger, be a running vlogger. Don't be a vlogger, be a travel vlogger. You would show new cities. When you leave a new city, the best restaurant in New York, the best restaurant in the town, where to get best coffee in town, what are the best I don't know, attractions in town. It's so easy and so good to do that. The 5 things you need to do before going to New York. The 5 things, if you like hiking, you can be a hiking vlogger. Okay, what is the best equipment for hiking? What are the best boots for hiking? And I know a guy, you are going to love this so much. I know a guy who is a running vlogger, who is a runner. And before that, for 2 years, he was making vlogs like basic people, right? He would just record his day that, okay, he's going to run, that he's going to shopping and work, etc. But then he shifted his content. And how he did that? He went from just a vlogger to saying that, okay, right now we are running with the new Nike shoes. Right now we got a new, I don't know, polyester t-shirt for running. And then he was like, okay, what are the best equipment for running in wild? And he made a video on that, and he was really successful. And then what happened after a year of providing value about vlogging, about running, the Nike wrote him and said, okay, we are going to send you shoes, you can try them out and make a video on it. I'm like, hell yeah. So right now, Nike is sending him every month shoes. He's trying to run with them. And he's saying, okay, these shoes are great for running. They are really great for sprinting. But for a marathon, I don't think they are that great. And he's bringing value to people. So this is what you need to try to do. And you will possibly succeed. I believe in that. So bring value to the market. Always ask yourself when you're going to watch the video, why should people watch it? What is your target audience that you want to attract? Now, analyzing your competition. When you decide that you want to bring value, who is your competition? How often they upload videos? What tricks and tips they are using in their videos? I don't know, editing style, transitions. Maybe they are screaming in a video to gain more viewers, to like have higher watch time and audience retention, and what you can learn from them. Watch them, analyze them, what their communities are doing, how, if they're asking questions. Like I see, if I will be tech review, do you know how many tech reviewers are there in the world? And in the comments, people are asking questions and the tech reviewers are not responding to them. I mean, if I would be tech reviewer, I would just take and I would answer every possible question about a product. And like, hey man, I hear you that you got a question how to use a mobile phone. I made a video on that. You can check it out on my channel. Voila, easy as it is. So if there is someone asking under the vlog a question, what is the best, I don't know, shoes for running, for small foot, you can answer that. So again, but this brings, like, if you have the value you can bring, if you're not a vlogger, you are something more than a vlogger. That's really important. The 3 things you need to focus on, and these are 3 things which are on a pedestal in YouTube. The first one is a watch time, the second one is a CTR, and the third one is if a person stays on YouTube and he continues to watch videos. Let's say that you uploaded a video which got like 15 minutes, and the person is going to watch that video, and then what he's going to do, he's going to stay on YouTube and watch another video. So let's say that both of your videos got 15 minutes, you just increased 30-minute watch time, and YouTube sees that and he will recommend your videos. CTR is a click-through rate, like that matters on thumbnail. Is your thumbnail better than your competitors? If it is, and the person is going to click it, and the person is going to watch whole video, mamma mia, you're in. Like, so easy as that. So this is what you need to focus on. Watch time, click-through rate, and person stays on YouTube. That's your goal. Now, marketing. If you review a restaurant in a town, share it in Facebook groups. Share it on Reddit. Also, if you're making running videos, swimming vlogging, I don't know. You can again go and try to share it in Facebook groups, Reddit videos, Reddit running, share a video that you just made a video about new shoes. Find your target audience. Who is your target audience? Where they are, and find them and share your stuff there. This is what you need to do. So again, using subreddit, and then subscribe to your competitors. Who are your target competitors, the direct ones? Okay, these 10 guys, write them in Excel sheets, subscribe to them, and when they upload the video, comment under it. Hey man, amazing video, cool stuff, I love it. By the way, at 5:65, at 5:30, you said that you like this type of stuff. What is it? Can you explain and elaborate? And he's going to respond to your comment. And now people can see it. And you got no clue how many people are actually reading comments. There's so many of them. Like, many people, when they start watching video, they are reading comments first. And when they see also that you are there, the competition, they can watch your video too. And now, I know it's the end, but I want to show you about something which will happen if you go this way, if you try to provide value by vlogging. You will start making evergreen content. Evergreen content is the best content possible to do. Evergreen means that it's possible to watch it in 2 years later and it's still useful. Let's say that, okay, I'm a swimmer. I swim a lot, like 3 times a week. If I will be vlogging my day-to-day, what I do before swimming, what I do after swimming, how I dry my swimsuits, and okay, what are the best smartwatches for swimming? What I could do is that I would do review on a Samsung Active smartwatch, and the video can be watched 2 years later because possibly it's going to be also in sales and people can watch it. So this is another thing which can be really useful, and month by month you are going to increase in views and subscribers and you will win. But another thing you need to understand, it can take 1 year, 2 years. If you're gonna upload regularly and if you're gonna upload a lot, it will be probably shorter. But yeah, adapt, and adapt. make a video, and you will have a result. Analyze the result and upload video again. Do that also. You need to have these horse blinds on you, just the tunnel vision that you are going to make it, and you will make it. Do you understand me? Also, if you want, you can write in the comments and I will try to help you. Write in the comments your YouTube channel and I will give you feedback what you can do better. Thank you all, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.